Hello friends, and good day to everyone. June has begun, marking the anniversary of the launch of the SOLARGROUP project in 2017. Thanks to the project, engineers worldwide are creating various types of equipment using Duyunov Motors. With the advent of Slavyanka, Resurs extensively tested it in action on a wide range of diverse equipment. Electric sleds were created for giving tourists enjoyable rides in the Etnomir Park. An ATV capable of towing a substantial 2 tons of cargo. The electric go-kart is a field with great potential, both in competitive sports and for various rental services. Here, we even obtained official Russian certificates for the kits we have developed. Building such machines is a ready-made and profitable business. Take, for example, our all-season motorized sled. It runs across the frozen lake in the Ural Nature Reserve. In Chelyabinsk, fishermen nicknamed it the tram because it goes from the base to the fishing hole and back. Or take a snowmobile, which won hearts of Siberian hunters this winter. Often, ice enthusiasts criticized us there was nowhere to charge the battery. And here you go, a solution that solves the problem. A built-in small generator when needed, it connects, and otherwise the machine is quiet and powerful enough. Remember, at one of the conferences I talked about and showed a huge, powerful all-terrain vehicle, something like a Sherp, which was created by the company Zhukov Garages. They installed Duyunov Motors of size 112, adapted for general industrial use with Chinese controllers. After the project was completed, demand appeared, and the engineers had to urgently look for ready-made solutions. We couldn't supply them with the required number of production motors, let alone controllers. Over 2 years, Zhukov Garages sold about 100 of these vehicles, each costing more than 10 million, but unfortunately with Nissan motors. This is one of the reasons why we built LLC SOLARGROUP to create ready-made solutions for the required product. The motors also performed excellently on tricycles, not to mention Matvei's hybrid Murave from Czechia. Matvei is a true engineer. When it comes to the technical side of the Tula Murave vehicles, he's definitely the best. In this project, he came up with many unique solutions. I especially like the cooling system. Next, the solar tricycles took off in India, Indonesia, Ulyanovsk, and of course the legendary green one with the first production DA90S motor from ASPP Weihai Technology. Powered solely by solar energy, it covered 3,000 kilometers across Kazakhstan. Just like back in the day with the old sleds, the tricycle had its brake cylinders completely seized up and the suspension and gearbox kept consistently breaking down, but the motor kept running no matter what. And it remained both incredibly powerful and remarkably efficient. This significant development made us pay close attention to effectively utilizing panels in various other projects as well. Both motors appeared, tested in India, Peru, Ecuador, Vladivostok, and Indonesia. And finally, a solar-powered boat was created in Macedonia. In April, it participated in the annual international exhibition of river and sea transport in Belgrade. On the second day, a municipal employee, Slaviša Topalović, the right-hand man of the head of the Department for International Relations at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and formerly an assistant to the president, met with us. He wanted to discuss the possibility of our participation in the project Solar Taxi on the Sava and Danube rivers. Options for regular routes between Belgrade and Novi Sad were considered. A step-by-step implementation plan for the project developed. The base location at the marina determined. A meeting with the director of the marina held, and approval obtained to create a showroom on water to attract private investors. A recent trip was made to Novi Sad to a catamaran manufacturing facility. There are definite plans to install a complete set of 2 motors and solar panels on one of them. Significant work is being carried out on the Serbian side and requires official approval from the ministry. Mr. Slaviša expressed strong confidence in the ultimate success of this important project. Our booth at the exhibition was truly the most striking and environmentally friendly. Local television channels did reports about us, after which we were invited to the beautiful city of Tivat by the owners of the largest yacht repair facility on the coast of Montenegro, Croatia and Albania. The shipyard owners have long been searching for suitable motor options to modernize yachts that are 45 feet long. This is required by the current state of affairs. People want to control their boats from their phones. Full control is almost set up. Our partners have already mastered this. The only thing left is to get electric motors. The Tivat team has already prepared a suitable boat to create a prototype of the essential equipment and has begun the crucial process of coordinating all the necessary decisions for its subsequent certification. Last year, a major exhibition was held in Mozambique, where we showcased our boat. The country's president paid special attention to our stand. In Benin, the Fishermen's Association requested that we consider the possibility of creating electric boats and charging stations in the port. In South Africa and Nigeria, SOLARGROUP partners are ready to install our kits with Duyunov Motors on cars and boats. For boats where it is not possible to install solar panels, we have decided to thoroughly test an alternative option with a generator. And on the mighty Yenisei River, our skilled engineer Makar has already started the process of converting his diesel cargo boat to electric. For this project, we prepared a kit with a motor developed in the LLC Sovelmash laboratory and designed our own controller. The equipment has already been sent to Siberia. In Kolomna, the engineers are planning to test our kit on a buggy. The client considers this direction promises essentially a kind of wheeled, unmanned, all-terrain vehicle. A meeting is planned in Obninsk to discuss the project details. These are the events awaiting us in the near future. Subscribe to our channels. Our website, Resurs, has been launched. Feel free to ask your questions about collaboration there. I will answer all emails. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.